Assalamu alaikum friends. In this video, I will answer the question raised by the David Wood. Let's have a look what he's talking about first.
Muslims, where does Allah declare unequivocally in the Quran that the text of the gospel has been corrupted? Give us one unequivocal statement from Allah in the Quran saying that the text of the Injil, the gospel, has been corrupted. Just one. If you can give us one unequivocal statement from Allah in the Quran saying that the text of the gospel has been corrupted, again, I will record myself bowing down and reciting the Shahada.
I will accept gospel is not corrupted. But where is gospel? The book you are recommending does not follow the basic principle of the revelation. I don't think David would understand the difference between the main written book versus revealed books. I am not going to discuss this in detail in this video because I want to keep this video short so that the message should be delivered to the most of the listeners. The Holy Scriptures are revealed to the prophets in their native language, and the name of the language is also be mentioned in the holy books. For the evidence, let's have a look into the Quran. We have sent it down as an Arabic Quran. This is clearly saying chapter 12 verse 2, and the second reference is chapter 13 verse 37. Thus we have revealed it, a decisive utterance in Arabic. In chapter 16 verse 103, Quran makes this Arabic language as a differentiating factor against the fake claim that was made regarding a person who was non-Arabic. In chapter 41 verse 44, God highlights the importance of the native language. There are a number of references in Quran that discuss about the language of the Quran. Now, my question to the David, I will accept the gospel that it is not corrupted if you prove me that it is not man-written. How will you do that? Give me one single reference in the gospel regarding the language of that book and language of the prophet Jesus Messiah. You guys are not confirmed about the language of the Jesus Messiah. Then how can we even discuss about the authenticity of the gospel that you are recommending as a holy scripture? I hope I have given the answer to your question. Dear my Muslim brothers and sisters, if you want me to answer such kind of questions raised by such people, then do write me in the comment section along with the video link so that I will make my response accordingly. And don't forget to subscribe my channel to stay connected. Thank you.